Having funnels or building funnels is an integral part, like a very important part of being an affiliate marketer. And when you are starting out as an affiliate, you will agree with me that you might not always have the money or the resources to actually start out with paid funnels for your affiliate marketing business. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the free funnel that you can actually use to start your affiliate marketing business. So it's a free funnel and it's a great alternative to Katra, to Clickfunnels, and to any other funnels that is actually being paid for. You actually get some goodies for signing up, and you'll be able to build funnels in order to promote and get sales from your affiliate funnel. So in today's video, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. So keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now, if you are new here, my name is Victoria, and on this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, passive income, making money online, and every of those good stuff. So if any of my content interests you, please make sure to click on the subscribe button below, tap the notification bell beside it, and like this video, leave me a comment below, and also share this video. So the funnel I'll be sharing with you today is known as Groove Funnels, and they have actually allowed you as affiliate marketers to actually sign up for free in order to promote your product and get sales, at least for your first 3, 4, 5 sales. So it's a good thing. And today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually sign up for Group Funnels and set up your account. In further videos, I'm going to be showing you the exact tutorial on how to go about setting up your funnels, but today I'm just going to be showing you how you can actually sign up and take advantage of this free site for you to set up your funnels for your affiliate marketing. So I'll encourage you to click the first link in the description box below and open it on another browser so that you can be following me as I go on with this tutorial of how you can actually sign up to Groove Funnels. So once you land on this page, you can see that you have a limited time offer to get Groove pages and Groove sell for free. If you want to understand more about what these are, this helps you to build your pages for free websites, and this actually helps you to sell. It's like a funnel builder, which makes it easier for affiliates to make sale, and you can get both for free, absolutely free, no credit card required ever. So what you need to do is just click on get started, and if you want to go about and check out more about it, you can just scroll down and all. But I won't be doing that. I'm just going to click on get started right now for free. So in this page you see the things that you'll be getting for free: unlimited products, build brand website with full navigation, custom domains, bandwidth and hosting, sell your products, upsells, downsells, and other. All these are great, as in these are what people actually pay thousands of dollars to get, and you are getting it all for free. So the earlier you get in, the earlier you register, the best it is for you. So on this side of the account information, you just want to enter all this: your first and last name, email, username, your preferred username, your password. You choose a password, confirm, then you get free access. So I'm just going to do that quickly. So once you register, they'll tell you to get a one-time special offer before you continue to additional stuff. If you want to, you can, but it's not compulsory. If you don't want to, just leave it. So this is what you get with the free plan. You get a Groove sell, Groove affiliate, and Groove pages. And so if you want more, you can actually do more, but absolutely you get everything you actually need to get started in the free account that you just created. So immediately you get a mail. So I'm just going to go to my email now and open the mail. So these are the mails that I've gotten from them. This is the first one. Welcome to Clickfunnels. Before you start using, set a password and all that. Read this important announcement about the beta in the group digital Facebook. They also have a Facebook group that you can join. Welcome to group funnels. So as a new member, you may be wondering how to get started and all that. So they are giving you different resources that will be helpful for you to actually start creating funnels with the Groove itself. So you just click on this and it will take you to the Groove funnel trainings where you get more in-depth training. That one, we have set up your account in the Groove Digital Academy. So I've given me my username and my password, and I can log in and know more about the academy. I'll also be making more videos about how you can actually get the most out of the Groove funnel. So if you are yet subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to know, and make sure you don't miss out of this limited time opportunity to get a free account with Clickfunnels so that you can promote your affiliate products. So this is the Groove Digital Academy, and I'm just going to quickly sign in now. So once you log in, you'll be able to see the different trainings about how you can actually use their funnels and their other products to get the best out of your digital and affiliate marketing. And this is another email, like a receipt of what you have actually purchased from them, like purchased for free. Total is 0.00, and that is it. The next thing you want to do is log in to your Groove pages or Clickfunnels dashboard using the email and password that you registered with. And once you get in, you'll be able to see the various pages, the various sections that are available: the Groove funnels, Groove pages, Groove sale, Groove affiliate, Groove mail, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got value from this. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually set up your funnels for your affiliate products. So don't miss it. If you are yet subscribed, can you subscribe and share this video, like this video, and leave me a comment below also if you've heard about Groove funnels before, or is your first time of hearing about it, and what do you think about this funnel for affiliate marketers. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.